You check your bank account on a random Tuesday afternoon. Maybe you're lying on your bed, or waiting for your food to arrive, or just standing in line, scrolling without thinking. You open the app, you look at the number, and for a moment, you feel safe. There's money there. You're not at zero. You're not struggling to pay rent this month. It's just sitting. And you breathe a little easier, because in your mind, that number means one thing. I'm okay. But here's the part nobody likes to admit. You make decent money now, more than you did 5 years ago, maybe a lot more. And yet, that number, it looks almost the same as it did back then. The stress didn't disappear. The goals didn't get closer. The life you imagined still feels out of reach. And this is where things start to feel strange, because logically, it doesn't make sense. You upgraded your apartment, your car, your clothes, your lifestyle, everything improved, except your freedom. And somehow, despite earning more than ever, you feel exactly as stuck as before. So you start wondering, what do they know that I don't? What system are they using? What secret did I miss? And here's the truth. There is no secret. There's just a system. The wealthy don't manage money better because they have more of it. They have more of it because they manage it better. The habits come first. The wealth follows. But here's the part most people completely miss. Losing money doesn't always look like spending. Sometimes it looks like doing nothing. There's a silent thief most people never notice. Stagnation. Imagine a glass of water sitting on a table. Day 1, it's fresh. Day 2, still fine, but leave it there for a week and something changes. It's not clean anymore. It's not useful anymore. It just sits. Money works the exact same way. If it just sits, it slowly loses its power. And this is where most people go wrong. They think their income is the problem. It's not. Your income is not your problem. Your lack of a system is. Over 60% of people earning 6 figures still live paycheck to paycheck. And here's the weird part. It's not because they don't earn enough. It's because everything expands to match their income. The moment more money comes in, life stretches to absorb it. The raise disappears, the bonus vanishes, and then something strange happens. Nothing. No progress, no freedom. Just a more expensive version of the same life. The 1% see this coming, so they don't rely on discipline. They build systems. They make decisions before the money even arrives, because they know something simple. If money touches your account first, emotion will decide where it goes. And emotions, they don't build wealth. Systems do. So they give every dollar a job. Not later, immediately. And this is where it gets interesting. The first 15% never even feels like yours. It goes straight to your future. Investments, the money that works while you sleep. Most people wait to invest what's left, but here's the reality. There's never anything left. So the 1% flip it. They pay their future first, because time is doing the real work. Think about this. Someone investing just a small amount every month starting at 25 can end up with over $1 million. Someone who waits 10 years ends up with less than half. Same effort, same system, just different timing. And those 10 years, they quietly cost hundreds of thousands. But that's not even the biggest problem. The next 50% goes to survival, the essentials, housing, food, bills, transport. Simple, right? But here's where people lie to themselves. They start calling comfort a necessity. Eating out becomes needed. Subscriptions become important. And slowly, essentials expand without you noticing until survival becomes expensive. And this is where the system forces honesty. Because once you cap it, you see the truth. You don't have an income problem, you have a boundary problem, and nowhere is this clearer than your car. $1,000 monthly car payment doesn't just cost you money, it costs you your future, because that same money, invested over time, could have completely changed your life. But instead, it's parked outside, losing value. And this is where the shift happens. The next 20% is freedom, your lifestyle. And here's the important part. This isn't restriction, this is permission. Permission to enjoy your life without guilt, because everything else is already handled. You can go out, travel, spend, but within limits. Because without limits, freedom turns into chaos. And chaos always leads back to stress. The final 15% is protection, your safety net. Because life doesn't ask for permission, unexpected expenses happen. And without a buffer, one bad moment can erase years of progress. This isn't growth money, this is survival insurance, and this is where most people finally relax. Not when they earn more, but when they feel secure. Now step back for a second. Look at this whole system and ask yourself something simple. Why does this even work? Because it removes you from the equation. No guessing, no overthinking, no emotional decisions, just structure, execution, consistency, and here's the deeper shift. Most people treat money like fuel, something you burn to survive. But the 1%, they treat money like an employee. Imagine paying someone every month and they produce nothing. No growth, no return. You'd fire them instantly. But with money, people do this every day. They let it leave and never come back. So instead of asking, what can I buy? They ask, where can I put this so it works for me? And this changes everything, because the real game isn't money, it's time. There's a limit to how much you can work, but no limit to how much your money can grow. And once that shift happens, something changes. You stop chasing income and start building systems. You stop reacting and start directing. You stop surviving and start creating. And slowly, quietly, life begins to feel different. Less pressure, more control, more space to breathe. Not because you got lucky, but because you got intentional. So set it up once, automate it, let the system do its job, and maybe nothing changes tomorrow, maybe next week looks the same, but give it time. Because this is how real change happens. Not loud, not fast, but steady, silent, unstoppable, and one day you'll check your bank account again. Same moment, same screen, but a completely different feeling. Not relief, not survival, control. Because this time, you didn't just earn money. You directed it. You built something that works for you, something that grows without asking. And that's the real difference, not how much you make, but how much you keep, how much you grow, how much you control, because your past income doesn't define your future. Your system does.